Sarasota is rich in culture, diversity, and community, and we're going to take you with us on this journey.
So right now we're heading to Florida's only known Amish community, Pinecraft, Florida, Sarasota, Florida. It started back in 1920s when the Amish and Mennonite farmers decided to come down here to grow celery. Now it's a popular vacation spot for Amish all around the Great Lakes and more.
There are no buggies on the road, and we saw all different types of Amish, different types of head coverings for the women and different style hats for the men, and there's also a lot of Mennonite. They have a little different dress style as well.
So yes, this is where they live. All these houses that you see here, a lot of them are vacation rentals, and not every single one are Amish, but a lot of the houses you see here are where the Amish and Mennonite are both going to stay. Here's the bicycle rental. We're actually gonna go stop by Pinecraft Park. It's where the Amish tend to do shuffleboards and other stuff like that. So here we are, we're at Pinecraft Park right at the moment. There's the sign right there. So they have a volleyball net, a baseball field, and they also have a place to play shuffleboard as well. And there's that beautiful mural.
The Amish are all over this area with their bicycles and their tricycles. We even saw someone hanging out their laundry the way that the Amish typically do in the front of their little rental house. When you're driving through this area, you can stop at Pinecraft Ice Cream Shop and also Yoder's Fresh Market. And beside that store, there is a sign that says, "Coming soon, handcrafted mini pies and coffee." That sounds exciting. And then the popular restaurant chain, Der Dutchman. And we saw they have a truck for catering and banquets. Pioneer Trails is a common way for Amish to get here. So we're not done with the Amish yet. Now we are headed to Siesta Key Beach, and you can find a lot of the Sarasota, Florida Amish there as well. There they are. We did see some Amish here at the beach. Fun fact, a part of the Breaking Amish show was actually filmed here on Siesta Key Beach. Let's go to Der Dutchman.
That's a good idea. Let's go.
Okay, so this is Tyler's mac and cheese, and this is my Der Dutchman wrap with chicken and sweet potato fries. Oh, I cannot wait to chomp it down. And Tyler got a Der Dutchman burger, and here is his yummy burger.
Here I got this mac and cheese.
I love sweet potato fries so much.
It is creamy. Look at this. It is so good. I got this behemoth of a burger, guys. Look at this thing.
So here's the burrito.